Hello friends, good evening and welcome to the analysis video of Nifty and Finnifty, right? Or let me Finnifty and Nifty because I'm going to analyze Finnifty first, right? Specifically on the request from our viewers that they also wanted to see Finnifty for a couple of days, and अब liquidity ठीक होती है, मतलब Monday and Tuesday अच्छी liquidity होती है, so people can plan their trades on Finnifty as well, right? If you look at Finnifty, right, very interesting pattern is getting formed. Unlike Bank Nifty, Finnifty has a component of HDFC too, right? So HDFC twins actually call the shots there. HDFC Bank in our Bank Nifty analysis, if you go back and check, was showing a bearish, as in it's not taken out the open high. For HDFC, right, there is a sweep there, right? And that is where Finnifty actually, if it opens near 19273, there is a gap down opening and there is a breakout, there is a good chance of a bull move. It also is actually at a trend line resistance, right? So if it opens between 19460, say 19434 and 19380, right, it could again take out. Now why am I saying there is a gap up opening chance? Because of the debt ceiling news, right? Also the markets were firing on Friday in US and Monday is a holiday there. So there is a very high possibility that markets may open gap up. Now if it opens directly at 19460, I would want to be cautious there because price action and profit booking could come into picture. We could get selling candles in Finnifty. So friends, for Finnifty personally, flat to gap down opening looks good. If it comes, we can see 19460, right? Any gap up opening between 19380 and 19420, again a consolidation, it takes out, then we could see 19460, 19540 and 19610, right? Small gap up, gap down and flat looks good for taking a bullish entry for Finnifty for me, right? Now I will quickly go to the components on Finnifty. You would actually be able to make sense there as well, right? Do you see these components, right? So HDFC, we have said, is formed an open high, right? It's formed an open high. If it takes out this level, only then there is a movement. Otherwise, again, with a gap up opening, it becomes dicey. HDFC, if you see, right, again there is a demand candle here. There is a demand area, sorry, there's a supply area here. Personally, I want to see a closing above 2658 for a move till 2671, right? So HDFC is looking dicey, both twins, right? ICICI Bank, as we discussed in that call also, a gap up opening till 9556 now could see some profit booking. So again, I'm saying gap up opening, right, and Finnifty could invite selling. Axis Bank, we have discussed, is bullish, right? And again, the SBIN and Kotak, right, we have already discussed in our Bank Nifty. If you want to see, you can go there and check it. So Finnifty personally, right, for me, I want to see a flat to gap down opening, slight gap up. I want a consolidation and then a break, right? 194, it should not open beyond 19420. If there is a trade, I will provide it in the channel, right? Personally, I trade Bank Nifty more, less of Nifty and Finnifty, which is where those trades are not sent frequently in the, it's not shared frequently in the channel, right? Now coming to Nifty, right, on daily charts, Nifty has actually given a breakout of this resistance. It's a clean pattern. You have a good bottom formation, then you have, it's ideally I wouldn't wanted a move down till 17950 for me to call it as a cup and handle, but yes, it's a small handle, right? Now a opening between 18600 to 18650, right, would make me wait and watch Nifty, right? It is gonna be a gap up opening. That is what everything is pointing towards, the news and everything, right? But ideally a flat opening around this area would have been good. It's a solid bullish candle. So before taking a short, we will need some confirmation, right? Good shorting area for me would be 18650 in case I see a bearish candle. Flat opening around 18420, I would like to look at a bullish candle and immediately go long with a stop loss of 18380. So 40 point stop loss for a target in the range of 80 points and 120 points, right? The reason, again, now if I get into Nifty components, right, you can see the reason why we are bullish, right? There was a recovery in bank Nifty, but interestingly, Nifty, IT, FMCG, all sectors are contributing and firing, right? All sectors are contributing and firing. If I look at two important components, Reliance is at a breakout. Nifty IT also after a small profit booking is at a breakout. So these both have some strong legs to actually take Nifty high. So if you are looking at going, if there's a flat to 20-30 point gap up opening, right, I would personally prefer to go long on Nifty rather than Finnifty. Bank Nifty is looking dicey. If there's a big gap up of 280 points, I would look at shorting the Bank Nifty, but Nifty is looking good purely because of its components. Now coming to the picks that we had given, right? We had given Concor yesterday, right? Yesterday, as in on Friday, for Friday, right? Concor opened at the support and then it actually gave us 4 to 5 points. This has given money. This has not hit the target, right? It's actually following the trend line fairly well. For people who are holding it from a swing standpoint, can continue holding it. We are personally holding options in this. We see a good movement in Concor. The reason is it's actually broken out. We see a movement till 699, right? The next pick was Tata Communication. Again, we had recommended buying at support. It has given actually a good movement. Now, if you see, right, so again, none of these candles, so we were looking at buying it at the closing candle, right, somewhere here. We got a decent move of 15-20 points. Our first target obviously was a swing high. If you see in 15 minutes, right, it's actually taking a resistance here. Now, for anyone holding it for a swing, any closing about 1273, they can target 14-15 points more. This one was more an intraday pick for us. The star of all the picks was SRF for us, right? The star was SRF. A very good move came. So we were looking at buying at this trap candle. It touched and then it boom, it went up, right? So now this one, given was a voluminous selling and this was overcome by this buying at the end, right? SRF we would also recommend to be carried forward for the targets of 25.46 and 25.65, right? SRF would also be our pick for tomorrow. For people who could not enter, wait for a entry between 24.98 to 25.02, place a 10-point stop loss and take a trade. Given Nasdaq and Nifty IT both are firing, we wanted to look at Tech Mahindra as a good stock. If you see, it had consolidated here, formed a nice pattern. If you just take out the demand wick there, right, it's formed a nice pattern here. It had formed a nice pattern and then it opened with a big gap down post the earnings. I think this was the earnings one, right? Now it's consolidated and gone up, and importantly, it's again consolidating at this resistance level. For tomorrow, any move above 1122, I would like to take a trade for targets of 1136 and 1160. My stop loss in this case, given the targets are 14 and 30 plus points, my stop loss would be 10 points. Target one is slightly conservative, but this looks like a good pick. Third one obviously is Reliance, because it's consolidated, formed a W down again. At every stage it has given a good pullback. Now the target for Reliance is 2609. I am looking at buying it between 2504 to 2488. I want a consolidation and then a breakout in second half there to carry this trade forward, right? So these are the stock picks, friends. Again, we have analyzed Nifty, Finnifty, and certain stocks. Shorting, we are going against the trend. Please be cautious in taking those trades. Reduce your quantity, right? Market is looking exhausted and stretched. There is news. There is the Dow Jones and Nasdaq both fired on Friday. Again, personally, we are seeing a gap up opening because of this news. SGX Nifty is also pointing it, but we are not, again, don't try to correlate the SGX Nifty movement. I am personally seeing it at a gap up, right? If you see a price action, a bearish candle, try to take a short trade. Don't chase now indices on the long side. It looks stretched. Nifty, you can go long because of the three index Nifty components are showing more strength. Bank Nifty, personally for me, any movement about 250, 280, 300 points, right, will invite some selling. So friends, that's it from an analysis standpoint. Again, a request, we are 950 plus members now. Thanks to all the support that you guys have given, right from day one we started this channel. People have been watching, views are gradually increasing, live analysis people are joining, right? More and more people are joining, and we are enjoying doing our sessions with them, right? um, if you're liking the quality of the analysis and you feel this content could benefit some of your friends and family members who are trading, making profits or losses in the market, right, this could help them sharpen their edge in trading. We would request you to share our channel link and also share our Telegram link, which is there available in the description box. Friends, please share it with your family members and friends so that they can join. We are looking at touching 1,000 plus subscribers by end of this week, right? I think it is possible given we are adding close to 2 to 5 subscribers every day, right? Thanks to all the support that we have got from you guys, we have been making a steady and organic progress in our pursuit of increasing the subscriber base, right? For people who are watching the video and have not subscribed till now, please subscribe. And guys, everyone, like, share our channel, give comments, right? Send us feedback in case you want to hear about something else also in terms of of our analysis. Hit the bell icon, right? Switch on the notification. We do live analysis. We do come up with some setups, interesting setups that you would have otherwise not seen. The idea is people can actually take advantage of that, right? With your notification switched on, you would be able to get the as soon as we share the link, right, you would be able to see when we are coming live, right? So you would not miss anything from our end. That's it, friends. Hope everyone has a fantastic Monday and starts their week on a profitable note. We will meet tomorrow in the live market again. In case there is some trade that comes up, we will share it on our Telegram channel. A standard disclaimer, we are not SEBI registered advisors. These are our setups which we have been trading. So before you enter into any trades, this is your capital, your hard earned money. Please run it through your financial advisor in case you have one, or make an informed decision at your own end. Thank you, friends. Thank you once again. Have a great Sunday. Looking forward to meeting you tomorrow. Thanks.